Hello, my name is Sean, and I'm coming from Zimbabwe, Harare Tech Hub. We spent the entire day developing this phenomenal app, and we're calling it Flutter Developers International. In essence, it's a platform in which different programmers come together, they share content, they share opinions, and they create solutions that can be able to take them further, both in their craft and ultimately to create a solution for the entire problem that may arise. The first thing that we did was the situation analysis. So we went through different stages. Firstly, to identify the strength that Flutter has, which obviously is convenience in development and its applicability in different platforms. So that's the first thing that we felt that should be extremely highlighted, so that the developers understand the motive for migrating from other different platforms to Flutter. And it's something that is key in whatever we're developing. And in order for us to achieve this, one of the key components will be better communication, right? Obviously of the benefits, facilitating the learning process to beat the curve, and the opportunities that are associated. So these are opportunities that are not only local, the regional and the international opportunities, plus the prospect of commercializing whatever skills that you've developed, right? And then this will ultimately create the interest in the developers. So you can move to the next slide. The proposed solutions, we're going to create a solution that's specifically dedicated to the developers, essentially create resources around it that enable them to create the craft at a better pace and at a better quality of work, and then create a mentorship and job context, which is, I think, most ideally in an African context, where you want to quickly monetize the opportunity, because these solutions will be dealing with direct problems and possibly increasing the income per home. Okay, so this was the initial login page that we developed. Pretty simple, where our logo is clearly put there, and you basically put in the basic input, your name and your password, and then you log in. And the entire user journey would involve obviously signing up, as I earlier pointed out. Then the key parts, the key processes that the developers or the Flutter pals, as we call them, will be doing is posting the content, asking questions, and ultimately contributing to the community. And I think the most incredible aspect of it is they'll be sharing code. Why that is essential? It means that the people within the community can be able to solve problems faster, because there's that ability to quickly have collaborative efforts to solve critical issues. Okay, the solutions that are being created ultimately are helping the community, the immediate community, monetizing it, and also tapping in from those international exposures, so that we can develop from developers in India, we can develop from developers in the UK, and develop from developers in South Africa. So the collective contributions can then be able to help us to solve as many problems in our locality as fast as possible. So these are mostly the platforms that will be dependent on, right? For storage, and then for a loyalty system, as we pointed out, that we want to have a hook that can be able to engage them in, and then for our search, we're using Elastic Search. And then obviously in conclusion, it's very clear, simply a platform where skill is aggregated, where a collective body of developers first are shown the interest of the platform, to show the benefits of the platform, to show how it will help them to be able to create the local solutions, taking advantage of the regional and ultimately the international opportunities. But above all, as pals always do, they're going to have a lot of fun doing it, which is one of the most incredible part of Flutter, that you can develop while you're having a phenomenal time like we had today. So this was developed in under 2.5 hours. So it's one of the key elements that we'll be pushing. A person is able to create a basic tribe where they're able to generate followers, and they follow the relevant accounts, and they prioritize issues of mentorship, access to employability, and then the widgets which are going to help to develop those solutions at a fast rate, and the basic knowledge base where you're able to actually understand the fundamental benefits of the program. This is what we're able to craft in a very, very short space of time with a phenomenal team, a team of dedicated, few hungry Zimbabweans that really had a fantastic time. And I think we'll also take this opportunity to thank the sponsors, BMW and Google and the other awesome people that we're going to mention. Also, we're going to take this opportunity to thank the entire Flutter community for actually including us. It's a phenomenal opportunity with a lot of fun. And definitely we look forward to actually taking this project further. We're not going to end it here. We're going to actually implement it and possibly create a very big base and interest, not only in Zimbabwe, but possibly across the continent as well. I think that this is the presentation. Thank you so much. Yeah.